In this video, we'll show how to add and customize a product carousel widget on your WordPress website using the responsive Elementor add-ons. First, let me show you what a product carousel looks like. The product carousel widget allows you to showcase your products in a carousel form, with many customizing features. Please note that this widget requires the WooCommerce plugin to be installed and activated on your WordPress website. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have responsive Elementor Addons plugin installed on your website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this screen. On the left widget panel, scroll down and look for responsive Elementor add-ons. Look for the RE Product Carousel widget. You can also type RE Product Carousel in the search bar on top to locate the widget. Now, click and drag the widget to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this product carousel widget. Under Edit RE Product Carousel, you can see 3 tabs. Under Content, in the Layout tab, you can choose the layout settings, and select the layout from the given options. Choose whether to show or hide the product title and customize it. You can also select whether you want to display the product rating and price, or add a product description, and make other changes to the product images. Under the carousel settings, you can change the effect, and set the number of products you want to display. You can also change the gap, speed, and autoplay functions in this tab. Here, you can choose all the navigation settings and the direction, as per your liking. In the Query tab, you can choose the filter and order of your products, product count, and offset. You can also add any product type, categories, and tags. In the Sale or Stock Out Badge tab, you can set the style preset, alignment, and text. Now, let's go to the Style settings. In the Product tab, you can set the background color, margin and width, along with the border type of the product carousel. You can also choose the border color and radius, and set the padding. In the Colors and Typography tab, you can set the color and typography of the product title and price. You can also customize the rating icon, and the sale and stock out badges. In the Button tab, you will find all the options to customize the buttons that appear when the user hovers over the products. In the Pop-up tab, you can customize the title, price, and content that appears in the pop-up. You can also customize the sale and quantity text in this tab. You can also make changes to the Cart button, the Stock Keeping Unit, and the Close buttons in the pop-up. The Dots tab allows you to set the style, position, and width of the dots which appear in the widget. You can change the spacing, color, and the border settings for the dots over here. Now, let's move on to the Advanced tab. Here, you can adjust the padding and margin of the block and set CSS classes. You can also add motion effects to the product carousel, set background color, and customize the borders of the widget. Finally, you can choose a mask for your product carousel and adjust its positioning. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update and there you go. You have a customized RE product carousel on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about responsive Elementor add-ons and WordPress, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next video.